There's a big problem with how most people are using AI right now, and it doesn't just affect all the outputs they're getting from the prompting and the different tools that they're using. It actually affects what's happening with the future of AI as well as we move into more agentic workflows, which is where AI does a lot more of the work for you, not just creating the different outputs and emails. Because here's what's likely happening for you right now. Every time that you or someone on your team opens up, ChatGPT or Claude, Gemini, whatever AI tool it is that you're using, that tool doesn't know anything about you or your business, your target market, or the way you like to talk. And so what ends up happening is you spend about 20 minutes grabbing contexts and pasting into the chat window and going back and forwards trying to refine the context of your outputs. And that means you and your team members have to spend more time going backwards and forwards trying to get to that special magical output that will work for you and your business. So what's the fix for this? Well, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, it is not a different AI tool, especially not the ones that everyone's screaming about on the internet as well. You see, people like us and many others who are using AI really effectively, we're using the exact same tools that you are. Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or something else, we're using the same tools that you have access to and probably open on your computer right now. The key difference is that we're just using it a little bit differently. And what we have is what we call an AI brain. This is a one-time foundational set of documents that gives the AI context about your business, your target market, their pain points, your proof, your results, and all those things packaged up into one easy to find place for the AI to have context. And ultimately, what this means is the work is done in a few minutes instead of maybe half an hour or more, trying to get the one perfect output. And this isn't just important for right now, it's really, really important for where AI is going, as I mentioned at the start of this video, because it's getting more agentic, which means AI can start making decisions and actions without you having to do the work. And if you don't have this foundational set of documents in your business that the AI can refer back to, it's very likely to create the wrong work and make a lot of mistakes, as unfortunately many other business owners have been seeing out there. And this isn't a future problem, it's happening right now. And we've been building AI brains from the very, very beginning of Earlibird, way back, I think in February 2024 when we started. And the reality is that, back in those days, it used to take us hours and days to go ahead and build these things. Now we can get them done in a matter of minutes. And we packaged that entire process in a set of repeatable steps that we could give anyone on our team so they can go ahead and create these AI brains for clients in a matter of minutes. And today we're making it available to you absolutely free. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to run this skill on a real business right now. I've found a random electrician here on the Gold Coast and we're going to watch it work for them here and now. So if I just go in here and type in the AI Brain Foundations documents, I'm going to grab their website URL for this thing here like so. This is going to start working through and asking me questions that I can answer in plain English. Now, if you have any other business assets about your company, such as maybe PDFs or documents, you can also add them in here during this time to give it more context as it goes ahead and builds. For the sake of brevity of the video, I'm going to pause it right now. I'm going to come back when it's ready and I'm going to tell you how long it takes. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes and the AI has gone ahead and found a lot of information based on the URL, as you can see here by the chat. If you'd like to, you can pause the screen and see what it's come back with. Now, as you'll note, it's come back and said, look, there's a few gaps that it wants to fill in, and we're going to go ahead and answer them as if we were this business. Now, these answers may or may not be correct. Obviously, we're not this business, but we have to do it for a demo here for you right now. So let's just say, we are planning on using AI soon. All right, that's that one there. What's the current newsletter situation? Probably not really sending one, but planning on it. Content ideas, let's go ahead and pre-populate this one here too. And in terms of the optional documents, let's go ahead and do a sales playbook, FAQ and knowledge base, and a customer journey map as well. Actually, let's just do all of them for the sake of this video. Why not? All right, so now that we've answered a few basic questions here, you could have actually added some more information about your business if you'd like as well. This skill is now going to go ahead and do the rest of the work to create these documents. I'm going to pause the video again, come back and tell you how long it took. Okay, so that took about 6.5 minutes, and now we actually have 15 documents ready to go for this particular business. Now, before I show you what we do with them and why this is important and the value it adds, let's actually just take a look at some of what's being created in here. So we can actually look at the previews over here too. So if I jump in and let's actually have a look at the what we do products and services. Now, again, we are not working in this business. I don't know them, but this information has been grabbed from their website. If you do happen to be watching this video, maybe reach out and let us know, and maybe we can help you out with some other AI things as well. What this is basically pulled from here is who they work with, different sort of elements and sections of their target market. As you can see, all here as a centralized set of documents and instructions. Let's look at the ideal customer profiles. So again, we have segment 1, the quality conscious homeowner. We have segment 2, the property manager and strata managers. Notice this is linked to what we just found with the previous products and services. The positioning statement, basically here grabbed. Now look at this. Notice that they're very, very focused on the reviews. Now I actually had a look at their website too. You can go have a look at the website now if you'd like to. Basically they're again very, very focused on being a trusted family electrician, and also their reviews as well, which is really, really cool. Different pain points and solutions that they have to offer. As you can see here, different trust and reliability elements. And you can see essentially what we've got here with those 15 different documents and folders. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and what we've just created with the AI brain to draft a sales email for that business here as well. So now let's actually jump in here and say, write a sales email to reach out to new potential managers, clients, using the information in the brain documents. So again, I'll pause this just while it's working, and I'll come back once it's ready and tell you how long it took. Okay, so look at this. This is already on brand, right? We've got 4 different variations here about their again, the trust variation that they really want to look at here, about the Gold Coast variations here as well. But look at this, family owned, right? Really leaning into the trust here as well, and also with the personalized details. So in about 30 seconds, which is what this took, this has delivered 3 emails that are already on brand, already knowing the target market, their pains and their fears and their desires. It already sounds like the business. And I didn't do anything apart from just say, write some emails out there based on the brain documents. The AI brain handled it all. So here's what changes when you have this. Your team will stop wasting time with AI. Your outputs will get faster, more consistent, and on brand. And new people on your team can get up to speed on day 1 because the brain teaches them, not you. Every prompt becomes higher leveraged, and the businesses that built this 12 or even 24 months ago are now 12 to 24 months ahead. And the same will be true 12 months from now. What you need to do in your business is build it today, and you can start closing that gap immediately. So click the button around this video, drop your email, and the AI Brain Builder skill plus 7 training videos will land in your inbox within 60 seconds. It's free, no credit card, no catch. Stop falling behind.